Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. Recently I have installed a voltmeter integrated with fast charging and PD charging. But Yezdi Adventure already comes with charging ports. I put this voltmeter system because of 5 uses that can be interpreted using the voltmeter readings. Here are the following uses. First one, checking the battery health. To know the voltage at rest, I just click of the button without turning ignition on or bike not started state, I can check the voltage. If it is anything less than 12.6 or so, the battery is discharging and needs charging or replacement. Second one, testing the charging system. Check the voltage while idling. The voltage should be around 13.6 to 14.8 with respect to the RPMs. At maximum RPM, the voltage should be higher. If it is less than 13.6 or greater than 14.8, the charging system is at risk. That is, alternator and regulator rectifier are problematic. Third one, self-start voltage drop. The best part is here. Identify the dying battery. That is, with voltmeter on, crank the engine, closely observe the voltage. If it goes less than 10 volts or 9.6 volts, the battery needs replacement or charging. Fourth one, test for parasitic drain. If the voltage goes below 12.6 overnight, it might indicate there is loss of power due to some faulty electronic parts or accessories. Fifth one, test for load voltage. This helps in observing the load when the engine is not turned on in case you are using the charging system for charging the mobile or some PD charging accessories. These are the uses of installing a voltmeter. To observe the battery health and charging system is key. If you find the video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the Baby Adventure channel, and I will be back with more informative videos about Yezdi Adventure. Thank you.